9:15, markets have opened the first rates any seconds now and they have started kicking in. It's a full house. When I say full house, it's a full house of green, Nifty, Sensex, small cap, mid cap, everything is powering ahead. The breadth, touch wood, again, phenomenal breadth in terms of where the current market positioning is. The breadth, I think, has been the talking point. The breadth really has been the high point, so to speak. Now let's look at banks and the bank Nifty especially, because for markets to move higher, it's the bank Nifty which will have to do magic. The bank Nifty is chugging along very, very smartly. And the bank Nifty, in a sense, is going to be the important one. Now let's look at newsmakers. Not too many newsmakers, but Astra DM, Zomato, RPG group companies, RPG Sanjeev Goenka group companies, let me put it this way. Astra DM, $1 billion comes in, but I think markets knew this was coming. Zomato block deal, which means the ant overhang now seems to be reducing significantly, and that in a sense is a big hurrah. Now Adani group of stocks. Can we forget them for long? No, sir. Adani Enterprises, the holding company, Adani Ports, Adani Wilmar, Adani Power, Adani Green, Adani Total, all of them are just doing what they've done for entire 2021. Does not matter what's happening in the world, but Adani group of stocks are chugging along very, very, very smartly. So it's reminiscent of what we saw in 2022, Aisha. Every day Adani group of stocks went higher, and today I think that is at play.
Yeah, absolutely. Continues to chug along nicely. The Nifty well above that 19,900 mark. In fact, just 25 points and we should make it to 20K once again. And I think that's been a long way to actually clog back to those levels. Let's see what Siemens are up to. Their numbers were above estimates. Margin uptick of 100 basis points like we were earlier flagging off. There's Astra DM as well. We just spoke with the management. They're selling their Gulf business for a price consideration of about $1 billion, 3% higher for Astra DM Healthcare. Zomato we already marked. PCBL as well is the other one in focus. They've acquired Aquafarm Chemicals for 3,800 crore rupees. Tata Power, you just heard from the management too. They've got an LOA for development of a 200 megawatt firm and dispatchable renewable energy project. So look out for what that stock as well does. Manappuram, wherein they've reiterated the guidance in the analyst meet. There's Man Infra too. The board is meeting today to consider a fundraise too. So that's another stock which is in focus. So loads of these counters really. And let's revisit what Tata Motors is up to. It's already at that 700 mark. Where to next for Tata Motors? 699 is where that stock is. So still just struggling at that level or a little sub that level. Much unlike what the pre-open rates were indicating. What about the underperformers from yesterday? So I want to revisit what L&T, RTC, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, Reliance Industries are up to, considering they didn't participate at all in the market move yesterday. And today too, they're pretty much on the sidelines, just marginally higher, a little bit here or there, really, for some of these large cap winners. So now, any trend or trade that you're picking up?
So I think, again, a good start for the index, and Bank Nifty finally above the 44,000 mark. So that's a good sign. Hopefully, more short covering across large cap names could take the banking stocks higher. Now, the stock which I would look to trade in the open would be NMDC. The stock looks attractive. Yesterday, it crossed back about the 175-77 hurdle. Today, I think the stock is about 180 plus mark. So it looks attractive from current levels.
All right, Naresh, let's get in your first trade.
So that would be a buy on Container Corporation, Concor, which looks interesting. The breakout has done, expecting a move towards 800 in the short term and 850 also.